Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Adiatu here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video, I'm bringing you a plan with me for the week beginning May 31st to June 6th, 2021. So I'll be using a freebie kit that I got from StrawberryLimeDesigns. So it's just in a regular mat, which is not obviously my paper of choice. But as you can see, I just have a rose picture here for you because unfortunately the footage of me laying down my base vanished into thin air and I cannot find it for the life of me, so I have to apologize about that. But yeah, anyway, so instead of me saying I'm gonna let you guys go ahead and watch my base, I'm just gonna go straight into the day by day. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. I paired this kit with some silver foil from SBC and the underlays I believe are from Caress Press. And yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get into it. Okay, so starting with Monday the 31st, to mark sleeping in, I used this pillow sticker from Words Are Hard. Paper Shy, that's it, and a sleeping script from The Wiggle to note sleeping in. I then used this Paper Dolls Co. Girl with Tea and a tea time script from Mandy.plans to note having some tea and toast that morning. I then used a YouTube play button sticker and a YouTube binge script from Planner Hannah to note having a YouTube binge. Down to the bottom half of Monday, I used the Whimsical Cat Studio Planning Girl and a fun planning script from Bella Plan Ella, which I do PR for, so use my code ADIATU15 to get 15% off your order. I then used a sun sticker from Sweet Choir Design to note that it was a really hot day, and then I used a recording camera icon from the foil bundle and a film script from Harriet Rat Designs to note doing some filming. Moving on to Tuesday. So at the top of Tuesday, I use a Stick with a Plan Co. Gal looking really tired and a super tired script from Olive Studio to note being really tired that morning. I then used a Honeybee Shop Girl with sticker to note organizing my stickers. Organized stickers script is from Ice Cream Joe. I then used a YouTube play button icon from The Wiggle and a custom Plan With Me binge script from Bella Plan Ella to note having a Plan With Me binge. I then used a Disney Plus Munchkin from Once More of Love to note a castle binge. The castle script is also a custom from Bella Plan Ella. I then used this Cookie Sticker Co. like hair appointment sticker to note doing someone's hair. The hair appointment script is from Melanin Electric. I then used this vanilla with like a burger to note having some bims, which is like a restaurant that is sort of similar to McDonald's but it's halal. Then I used this Paper Dolls Co. cleaning sticker to note cleaning my room. So that was Tuesday. Moving on to Wednesday. On the top of Wednesday, I used this alarm clock sticker to note waking up early. I then used a fox and cactus girl on the phone to note speaking to my brother. I then used a Jalen Paper Co. Starshine Girl to know organizing stickers. The organized stickers script is from Adorably Amy Designs and I love the size of it, it fits perfectly. I then used a Fantasy Design Store Disney Plus sticker and a castle script from Bella Plan Ella to note another castle binge. Sorry for that noise, I might have to stop. Okay, I'm back. They seemingly have stopped cutting the grass, hopefully they don't start again. So, to the second half of Wednesday, I used this Stuck on You Designs sticker of this girl in bed and her hair's in a pineapple and I feel like she's Bea and I am her to note furniture shopping or like looking at furniture online for my house. I then used this Planner Pixie Co. boy gaming sticker to note my husband was gaming. I then used the Mixie Cut stuff sticker with like chicken to note ordering KFC. And then a Pink Diamond Planning Co. YouTube sticker and a YouTube binge script from Planner Hannah to note a YouTube binge. So now on to Thursday. So on Thursday, the first thing I marked using the same stickers that I use at the end of Wednesday. The Pink Diamond Planner Co. YouTube sticker and a YouTube binge script from Planner Hannah was a YouTube binge. I then use a food sticker of like noodles from The Wiggle to note eating some Indomie, so some noodles, some like ramen noodles. I then use a Stick with Panko laundry mermaid and a laundry script from the Wiggle to note doing some laundry that morning. I then use a Paper Dolls girl washing her hair and a wash hair script from what's it called? I forgot the words. It's called StrawberryLimeDesigns to note washing my hair. So I do have a day extender here and I don't have my planner, so I'm looking at pictures. So I'm going to quickly check to see if I have a picture of the opened extender, because I don't think I do. I don't have one. So I'm going to have to wait for it to come up. So I'm going to do the outside of the extender first. So to note or to mark getting ready, I use this Paper Dolls girl sticker of a gal in like a red dress to note getting ready. I then used a paper and thread gout and a Starbucks run script to note Starbucks run, and the ice cream script to note ice cream sticker from the Wiggle to note getting some creams. I guess I did do that first. So we had Starbucks and then we had some creams, and we were supposed to get ice cream at a restaurant but it was closed. But I didn't do all of this in that order, but I think I just chose what would fit best. So in a second I'm going to open up that day extender and I'll tell you what I use, because I don't know and I don't have a picture of it, unfortunately. Yeah, so inside the day extender, the first thing I used, oh wait, I'm going to put down all my boxes first. I can't wait to live in one place and be able to just have everything with me. That's going to be a dream. Okay, so here we go. So the first thing I marked in there was going to, like on the train with my husband. So we used this Paper Dolls commute sticker and a wave hub script from Bella Plant Ella to note that we went on a train to go to central London. Then used this couple eating sticker from Plannerface to note we went to Stack's Diner. The date night script is from the Wiggle, and then I used this couple eating popcorn sticker from Papershire to note that we were watching Blue Therapy when we got home. So moving on to Friday. At the top of Friday I used a Stick with Panko gal with an alarm clock to note waking up early. I then used this Angry Gal sticker from Pink Diamond Planning Co. to note I was annoyed about something. I don't know what, but I was annoyed about something apparently. I then used this Papershire gal with a mask shopping and a grocery run script from the Wiggle to note a grocery run, and then I used this edit sticker from Stick with a Plan Code to note editing. I then used this Peyton does like Penny's hair sticker from Goldman and Coco, and an appointment script to note I did someone's hair and it was a kid, hence why I used that sticker. And then I used a movie marquee to note watching Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. I believe this is the first one, if I'm not mistaken. The script is from Bella Panana, and then the sticker is from Papershire to note watching this Harry Potter movie. On to Saturday. So at the top of Saturday, I used a Honeybee Shop girl on a laptop and a voiceover script from Ice Cream Joe to note doing some voiceovers and some editing. Then use a Copy Monsters Co. sticker with an emoji and a pencil to note I was making some scripts on my computer. And then used another emoji with a cup of tea and a tea time script from Randy.plans to note having some tea and toast or tea and waffles that day for breakfast. I then used a camera icon from the kit and a planner script from Goldman and Coco to note I was taking the pictures of my planner, as we do. I then used a YouTube play button sticker from The Wiggle and a Plan With Me binge script from Bella Plant Ella to note Plan With Me binge. I did mark a hair appointment the same way I did earlier on in the week, using the Cookie Sticker Co sticker and the hair appointment script from Melanin Electric. And then I also marked getting BIMs the same way I did earlier on in the week, using a vanilla sticker with a burger to note getting BIMs. So moving on to Sunday. No, Sunday is not in here. Okay, there we go. Sorry, I couldn't see the picture clearly. So on Sunday, on top of Sunday, I used a Sacred Planco sticker again. This time of the girl sleeping in bed and a sleep in script from the foil bundle. To note, sleeping in. I then used this eggs and bacon sticker from the foil bundle. To note, ordering some breakfast. I then used a Sweet Ava's paper character sticker again to note a Starbucks run. The Starbucks run script is probably not from the Wiggle, but just from my leftovers of Wiggle, since I already used the Starbucks run script. I then used a Simply a Messy Girl, like doing her hair sticker, to note that I was finishing my hair. I don't know when I started it, but it says I was finishing it, so I guess I was finishing it off. I then used a YouTube play button sticker from Planner Hannah and a Plan With Me Binge script from Bella Plan Ella, to note a Plan With Me Binge. I then used a Planner Pixie Co boy gaming sticker to note my husband was gaming as usual. I then used the Stick with Planco sticker with the girl holding stickers to note playing with stickers.